No matter the season or time of day on the surface, underground is always like a warm summer's day. The speed down is about 2 flights of stairs per second. The whole trip takes just 3 or 4 minutes. In the many kilometers of mine travelways, it can take the workers some time to get to where their day's work is. The mine has become much busier in recent years. Production volumes and traffic in our travelways have increased. You will encounter many double sets of double doors as you make your way through the mine. A tug on the rope opens one set. You go through, and then you close them before opening the other set. That way fresh air is always properly routed throughout the mine. Here in one of the maintenance shops, a new machine is being assembled. The Marietta Miner is the primary mining machine. The mine rooms, they're called, are a mile long. The ore is a mixture of roughly 40% potassium chloride or potash, 55% sodium chloride or salt, and 5% clay. The raw ore is deposited onto a conveyor system which will take it to storage bins before it's brought to the surface. The mining machines leave their signature circle cuts everywhere. Sometimes a smaller machine will be used. This one is more agile, is called in, for instance, to cut space for the big machines to turn around in. A large hopper or skip whisks the ore to the surface. It comes up the 1 kilometer distance in just 1 minute and releases 30 tons at a time.